What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn a simple way to change photography colors palette into the Canva for free, into a simple, fast, effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, let's imagine the following scenario. You did find the perfect picture for your illustration, for your design, for your website page, but it does not match your branding colors. How to solve this? For example, I think I find the perfect photo, but my brand colors are orange, or maybe yellow, or maybe purple, or maybe green. So how to do this? It's really simple on Canva. Just go to Canva. You can go to the app, to the Windows or Microsoft app. You can go to the website. Find the design size that you wish. Now you can upload your custom picture into the uploads part, or you can go to photos and find the perfect photo. I like this one right here, for example, okay? All I have to do now is click into the picture, go to the edit option tooltip that is gonna appear into this tooltip. Now move to adjust, scroll down until you find color edit. And you're gonna be able to find all the primary colors of the picture. For example, the primary color is this green. You can change this for the color that you wish. Same thing for the paper. Imagine that you would like the paper to be in another color. Simple, right? And you can do this with any picture you like, for example, okay? So let me show you another photo. Let me go to the photo apps. I think this one is okay. Now, in the case I don't need, you can change, for example, the red on the background from this brown, maybe for purple. Blue is okay, looks nice. And you can continue doing the edits in all the way that you need. And can repeat the process with any kind of picture you wish, okay? Simple, fast, effective, and works for free. Let me do one more time. Houses. Let me find some nice house to play with. I think this one is great. Now you can click into the photo as well. You're gonna see next to flip a couple of colors that Canva identifies automatically. Let me try this one. Maybe purple. Looks fancy. Maybe green, yellow looks, orange looks amazing, okay? But let's try it yellow. Fancy, right? Now, let's play with the sun. As you can see, we can customize every single part of the picture. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use this comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!